guys. So I purchased this it's like a starter kit from Mouldd. I actually found the link or heard about it on the Resin Den, I believe, Facebook group. But it's so cute because it comes with all this stuff. So it comes with these 5 mica powders, which are very pretty. I like that green. It comes with, oi, goodness. Comes with a bunch of gloves. Comes with a very nice spatula. Comes with the part A and part B. Comes with a really big silicone cup and then 3 of the little ones. It comes with, it looks like 4 coasters, 4 coaster molds. Sorry, that is like uber loud. So yeah, just 4 of these little coaster molds. And then the instructions, how to use, how to prep, how to color, how long to wait, tips and tricks, which is always nice, and then some safety stuff. And what I also like is they have their QR code, so it brings you right to the site. And then it also comes with these little, I can only assume they're either for the pigments, the powders, or maybe they're little stirrers. I don't know, but they're cute as all get out. So again, Mouldd Resin Coaster Kit comes with these 3, the pigment powders, the big spatula, 4 coaster molds, bunch of gloves, the instruction kit, part A and part B, a very large silicone container, and then 3 of these little mixing jugs, which I absolutely love. I think I probably have 50 of them, to be honest, and like, you can never have too many of these. They're awesome. So I can't wait to get started with it. And I will be sure to tag Mouldd in anything that I make. All right. See you in the next video. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe if you're not already. And I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.